In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove comments in WPS Office. Comments are a helpful tool when reviewing documents, whether you are working on a research paper, a scientific report, or a business document. They allow collaborators to provide feedback or suggest edits, but sometimes you need to clean up your document by removing comments once they are no longer needed. WPS Office provides a couple of simple ways to do this efficiently. To start, navigate to the text that contains the comment you want to delete. Once your cursor is on the text, right-click to open a menu of options. In this menu, you will see the option labeled Delete Comment. Tap this option and the comment will be removed immediately. This is the quickest way to delete a single comment directly from the text it is attached to. Another method is to delete the comment directly from the comment box itself. Click on the comment to open the comment box. Inside the box, you will notice a small icon with 3 lines. Tap this icon to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will again see the option to Delete Comment. Selecting this will remove the comment in the same way, giving you flexibility in how you manage your annotations. These methods make it easy to remove multiple comments throughout your document. Simply repeat the steps for each comment and your document will be free of all unwanted notes and feedback. This is particularly useful when finalizing reports, ensuring that no reviewer comments are left visible before sharing or printing the document. Removing comments is not only a matter of tidiness, but also helps maintain a professional appearance for your documents. Keeping your document clean and polished ensures that it is ready for submission, distribution, or presentation without distractions from previous edits. Using WPS Office, managing and removing comments is fast, reliable, and straightforward. Whether you are working with a single comment or cleaning up an entire document with multiple notes, these simple steps will keep your work neat and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.